Hello and welcome to the other garden. You can see that the Martagon which survived the chickens have lovely stems. This one will also have one bloom there. And the purple asparagus grows really nicely. Allium Christophi is in full bloom, it's that one, the ornamental onion. And Premier also starts to bloom here. And Iris ochroleuca is also blooming. And unfortunately, I think Kalahari is this one, that's not going to bloom this year. Oh, and look at that, the first Martagon flowers opened. How beautiful they are. Gorgeous. Pink one. Lovely. It's a mixed Martagon, so I have to check what's the cultivar name. And the rest of the plants are starting to die off, which is quite normal at the end of May. And the last plant I would like to show you is that one. It's called Iris pallida argenteo variegata. It's white variegated, and I have the golden variegated one, that one, which is aureo variegata. So thank you for your attention, see you next time, bye bye.